In today's case review, we're going to be talking about being fired from work for refusing to obey instructions. Is it possible? Can you be fired for that? Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. As part of our video newsletters to you, we also provide the option of case reviews. These are cases that we've studied about online and want to give you an update about what happened in the case and why did that particular person lose that case and what you can do differently so that you don't lose the case. So let's get started with the facts of this case. In this case, what had happened was the applicant worked as a cashier at a convenience store, which was actually a petrol station. She was dismissed for selling face masks at work. She claimed that she had seen a gap in the market when she observed customers without masks being refused and turned away from the store. So she started to sell face masks to them. However, what she was doing was actually taking that money and keeping it under the till. The company noticed this on their cameras and dismissed her because they had told her that it was actually offensive and she was breaking a company rule, was selling non-company items at work. So the company dismissed her and she approached the CCMA. At the CCMA, the commissioner said there was a clear rule that staff members were not allowed to sell masks in the store or at the forecourt of the filling station. The employee knew what she was doing was wrong because she was taking that money and placing it under the till. Even though she had seen a gap in the market, she was an employee and she owed a duty of good faith towards the employer. As a result, the employee's case was thrown out of the CCMA because she broke a workplace rule. Now, what does this mean for you? When we study cases like this and bring it to your attention, we want to highlight some key factors. Number one, when you are preparing for a disciplinary hearing or a CCMA case, make sure that if you're dealing with misconduct, that the company can identify a workplace rule that they're accusing you of breaking. And do they have the evidence to show that you have broken that rule? That is the key factor. Also, something to bear in mind is the test for misconduct is based on 5 factors. Is there a rule? Is the rule reasonable? Did the employee breach the rule? Was the rule consistently applied? And is dismissal the appropriate sanction for breach of the rule? In this case, what we saw was that the employee had breached the rule, and as a result, her dismissal was confirmed. If you need help in preparing for the disciplinary hearing or preparing for a CCMA case, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.